Now, I don't know why, but my little brother has this tendency where he builds the crap out of the front of his cars, but then the rears, he just doesn't even touch. I don't know how many of you guys will, but if you guys remember his Civic, the front of the Civic was like super nice and well built and hella modifications, and the rear was just like barely even touched. Now, I don't know why he does it, but what I do know is that he is carrying on that tradition with the Evo. Today, boys, we are transforming the entire front end of this Evo. Now, if you guys remember, we recently put the new headlights in. We threw on the OEM headlight back in just for a thumbnail, but today, this Evo is getting a whole new makeover, only on the front end though. I don't know why you do it, bro. I don't know why the front ends of your cars look so good, but then the rears are just nothing. So here is the game plan for the Evo. Today we got a carbon fiber hood, we got a front lip, fog light delete, we're gonna test fit a splitter, and we also have to put in the new bulbs in his headlight. So when we put these new headlights in, we put them in without a bulb. So every time he's been driving at night, he's been driving without a bulb. Definitely not safe. We live in New Jersey, it rains like crazy, and the rain plus night, I don't even know how you drive. Like that's not safe, dude. We got everything laid out in the garage. So number one on the list for today is the headlights. We're gonna throw the bulbs into the headlights. Since the bumper is already gonna be off, we're gonna go ahead, throw on the new lip. I just went ahead and painted the front lip yesterday, and oh my God. This thing is gonna make the front end look super aggressive. The front lip looks so much better. It looks so good, dude. Compared to your dinky paint, oh my God, dude.
This car's been washed once since ownership, once.
You've only washed this car one time? What is wrong with you? How do you have an Evo 10 and have only washed it once? I've literally had this GTR. It's ran for probably 2 months and I've washed it at least 3 or 4 times. God damn, dude. Look how shiny and nice that is. And then look at that. So we're taking our first L of the day. We threw in the bulb, and unfortunately, we need a ballast. So the bulb isn't working, the sea light's still working, the turn signals are still working, everything works except for the bulb itself. So unfortunately today we're not gonna be able to do that. The bulbs are no go for today, so we're gonna go ahead, jump straight into this new lip. I've never been so excited to put on a front lip. This front bumper is so round and non-aggressive, and the rest of the car is just super aggressive. This front lip is majorly needed. Now this mod I'm a little confused about. Personally, I'm a fog light guy, but my little brother wanted to get a fog light delete. There we go. Yeah, the fog lights actually do kind of look dinky now that I'm saying that. That actually looks so much cleaner. You know what? Disregard everything I just said. I'm no longer a fog light man. Fog light delete all the way. This might as well just go in the trash because this is definitely never going back on the car. Oh, baby, that is looking so much better. Fog light delete is done. That looks so fire, but it makes the rest of your car look like crap. It makes the rest of your car look pink. Not even gonna lie, dude. Like, oh, like, wow. Whoa. In the camera, it looks so crazy. It's like crazy aggressive now. Yeah. That adds like a whole layer of aggression. The front lip with the headlights is just, god damn.
No more fog lights now, yes sir.
Oh yeah, the fog light delete looks so good. You can see the intercooler piping. Woohoo, that looks real nice. Quick little story time. So about a week ago, my little brother found this carbon fiber hood on sale. Some guy was partying out his Evo. He ran this hood on his car for literally what, like 10 miles? My little brother scooped this hood up. It's literally almost brand new, but as my little brother was putting it into the back of the truck, he chipped it. He chipped the carbon hood. A brand new carbon hood, mind you. That little chip is because of that guy right over there. We don't want this to start expanding and start chipping away at the whole hood. The easiest thing to do is take some JB Weld and kind of just rub epoxy all over that crack just so it doesn't expand. Look at that beautiful carbon fiber weave. We don't want that to get ruined, so we're gonna just throw some epoxy on there. Good news is that when I stand up, I literally can't even see it anymore. There it is, boys. Take one last look at this dinky ass hood. Oh wait, I'm like scared to like push it in.
Push it in.
Huh? I don't want to crack it if it does crack. Wait,
I feel like it should have pushed in already.
Is it fitting? It's not hitting anywhere. Okay.
Oh damn!
Oh my
damn!
gosh. That literally looks insane. Like wow. God, dude, that literally looks so insane. Like total game changer for the front of the car. Like I said, you know, you never work on the back of your car, it's always just the front, but I feel like the Cosmoses just go perfect with this car. Like I feel like 3-piece wheels just wouldn't look good. Like the monoblock is insane. The carbon hood, the fog lights are lead, the front lip, and then the headlights, that is aggressive. It's actually kind of lame that my little brother is hopping in his own car and I have to hop in my girl's car because my car's just not running. We're gonna get some rollers of the Evo. We're gonna get a couple shots for his Instagram in the Evo. And I'm just gonna take the 350 because, well, Amanda left it here and I really want to drive. We are back at literally my favorite spot ever. Like, I love this spot. I absolutely just love this bridge for some reason. Oh, damn it, I left Amanda's lights on. Oh, gotta turn those off. Oopsies, gotta turn those off. If her battery dies, Amanda is gonna kill me. The Evo might be my favorite car that's at the house. Just, oh my God, dude. Oh my God. All right, so I don't want to like give it away, but I know we've been joking around that like you only modify the front end of your car. Yeah. You learned your lesson. All we're gonna say is that he does have mods, not only for the front end. We just didn't put them in yet, but you know, my little brother did learn his lesson with the Civic, and now he's gonna mod the rest of the car too. I'm super speechless. We still have to go out later and take rollers, but wow, like just wow. I can't stop staring at it. Just like, geez, that looks crazy. You guys already saw the rollers, but for us in present time, we haven't taken rollers yet, so we're still gonna go out and take some rollers. I just need someone to drive me because I really don't feel comfortable sticking this camera out the window with one hand on the wheel and one hand on the camera. I'm not messing with that. I'm not breaking another camera. I've broken enough cameras in my life. I don't need any more broken cameras, but we're just gonna leave off here. I'm gonna take a few pictures. If you guys don't already, go ahead, follow me on Instagram, follow my little brother on Instagram. I'm gonna leave off the video right here. I hope you guys like the Evo. If you guys have any suggestions with the Evo, definitely leave it down in the comments. Cruising here in Amanda's car makes me miss my car so damn bad, but Skyline will be up and running, boys. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Peace out.